For decades, robots were tools. They followed instructions. They repeated tasks. They worked under human control. But today, something is changing. We are entering the era of autonomous robots, machines that can make decisions, adapt to environments, and even build other machines. In modern smart factories, robotic arms no longer just assemble products. They analyze data, detect errors, and optimize production in real time. Companies like Tesla are pushing automation further than ever before, integrating AI-driven robotics into manufacturing systems. Meanwhile, global automation leaders such as ABB are developing intelligent robotic systems capable of learning from their own performance. But this is only the beginning. Researchers are now exploring systems where robots can manufacture components for other robots. This concept, often called autonomous manufacturing, could dramatically accelerate technological growth. Imagine a factory where humans only supervise, while machines design, test, improve, and reproduce mechanical systems on their own. This could reduce costs, increase speed, and allow production in dangerous environments like deep oceans, disaster zones, or even space. But it also raises serious questions. If machines continuously improve themselves, how fast will innovation move? Will human labor shift completely towards supervision and creativity? Or will automation replace entire industries? The rise of autonomous robotics may be one of the most transformative technological shifts of our century. The future is not just automated. It may become self-evolving. And this is only the beginning. Subscribe to Visual Mind AI for more deep dives into advanced robotics and the future of artificial intelligence.